how to contact Expedia Customer Support on mobile. First of all, let's open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're inside the app, from the bottom menu, let's go to your account page. Here, you will find various options. If you scroll down a bit, you will find the Help and Feedback option. Tap on that to open it. On this page, you can choose which method you want to use to contact support. If you tap on Chat Now, it will take you to a new page where the Expedia chatbot is available to chat and will help you solve your issue. At the bottom, you'll find some options. Just select one according to the issue you're facing. For example, if I select Change Booking, the chatbot will process the message and check your booking list. In this way, you can use the chatbot to solve your issues. Also, you can visit the Expedia Help Center. Let's go back. And here, tap on the Visit the Help Center option. A new web page will appear on the screen where you can find articles to help you. In the search bar, type your issue to filter out the relevant articles, or choose an option from this list according to your needs. I will open Flights, and here you can see a list of articles written to help you. Just choose one according to the problem you're facing, and it will let you know how to deal with it. But if you don't think it is helpful or it doesn't solve your issue, you can leave your feedback by choosing the thumbs down option and select a reason from here to let the support team know why it did not help you. Let's go back, and if you scroll down to the very bottom, you will find the Help section with various options. We are already in the Support section, and you can choose the other options if your issue is related to one of them. If I may suggest, go with the Chat option. If you are not satisfied with the chatbot, you can ask the chatbot for a support representative for further assistance. And that's it.